Today, we're reviewing some super handy kitchen gadgets that make cooking 10 times easier. All product links are in the description. Let's see which one you'll love the most. Bring a touch of elegance to your baking with this cherry blossom mooncake mold. Just press the floral stamp into your dough and you've got beautifully detailed treats ready for the oven or the fridge, depending on your recipe. The material is durable, easy to clean, and built for repeat use. Whether you're making traditional mooncakes or creative cookies, it adds charm to every batch. Sticky messes, be gone. This clever honey dispenser lets you drizzle syrup, sauce, or honey without the drips or spills. It comes with a built-in silicone brush for smooth spreading and a storage rack to keep everything tidy between uses. Just pour, squeeze, and swipe. No spoons, no cleanup nightmare. It's reusable, easy to refill, and perfect for everything from pancakes to glazing roasted veggies. Simple, sweet, and super handy. Add a little joy to your breakfast with this Smiley Egg Cutter. Just roll it over your boiled eggs and watch fun flower or face shapes appear like magic. It's a simple way to make meals more playful, perfect for kids, parties, or just brightening up your day. Made from safe, odor-free plastic and easy to use. Cooking doesn't have to be serious. Sometimes it should smile back. Big mess? Tiny solution. This handheld mini mop set is foldable, compact, and perfect for quick cleanups anywhere. Kitchen counters, bathroom mirrors, even glass surfaces. It wrings out with a simple squeeze and folds down to fit in tight storage spots. The durable material holds up to daily use, and the built-in rinse system keeps things efficient and mess-free. Ideal for small spaces, busy lives, and unexpected spills. No more chasing runaway pickles with your fingers. This clever pickle fork is designed to grab olives, pickles, or anything floating in a jar without the mess. Its long, narrow handle reaches deep and grabs tight, so you get what you want with zero hassle. Made of stainless steel and easy to clean, it's a must-have for condiment fans. Fun, practical, and oddly satisfying to use. Brew loose-leaf tea without the mess. This long-handled tea wand lets you scoop, steep, and stir all in one smooth motion. Just fill it with your favorite blend, tea, spices, even coffee, and drop it into hot water. The tiny holes keep leaves contained while flavor flows freely. It's sleek, easy to clean, and way more fun than fussing with tea bags. A small upgrade with a big, cozy payoff. Crispy fries, golden tempura, and perfect donuts start with the right pot, and this deep fryer gets it just right. It's made of stainless steel and includes a built-in thermometer, so you always know when the oil's hot enough. The wide lid doubles as a draining rack to reduce excess oil for healthier results. It works on both gas and induction stoves. Simple, safe, and ready for serious frying fun. Small sink? No problem. This multifunctional hanging basket clips right onto your faucet or sink edge, giving you instant storage and drainage in one spot. Use it to hold sponges, scrubbers, or leftover scraps while cooking. The built-in drain button lets water out fast, and the detachable filter makes cleanup easy. It installs in a second and saves space like a champ, perfect for tight kitchens, dorms, or apartments. Meet the 2-in-1 drainer and strainer, your new kitchen essential. Its dual-layer design lets you wash, drain, and even store fruits, veggies, and more, all in one bowl. The mesh lid ensures fast, splash-free cleaning, while the hidden foldable handle makes it easy to carry or store. You can find the link in the description box below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with all our future content.